Presiden ke UDP, uba Metbah lingdo, ong bakaseng kadang penkre shwa na kabinta ke election shiteng samoy shalok sabha, hinre kampat sedang ya ke jingalap election ke Bapura, namar ba ompat penbenai ke tarik tepvot. Ong ba ke jimpin kala kerpangi ki thop nong tepvot, kabadang ya ru, kadi kawai ni kidaw bakaseng kadang am. Kat kum ke jingïathuh jong u, ka UDP kelas sedang banya kendo ya ki nong yalam, ki nong tre bat ki nong kershan jong kaseng, hinre ompat sedang ya ke jingalang paidbah. Uba Metbah ong ru ba ke jing ai jingmut Meghalaya Haduh Mynta kilong ki bahashibo na ke binta u Kyrtong Jong ke UDP bat bon ki paidbah ki kwa ban yoi ya ke jingkela ha ke ni ke election halor ke jingkersha na ke HSPDP ong ba ampat dan kanu ke jingya keren ka bashai hinrai ke UDP kadang plelat ikino ki bakwa ban kersha ni u Kyrtong Jong kaseng
gone into the full swing mode because the announcement of the election date also is yet to be notified. But looking at the SIR exercise that is being, yet to commence immediately, and that also one part. So side by side, the election cannot be held. So one has to take a call for it. So it all depends on the government and the election commission.
So a few campaigns have taken place.
We have just started. We have just started in a low mode, and basically we are going to meet all the party leaders, party workers, and all well-wishers who would like to attend those programs, but not in a public platform.
How has the response been so far as your candidate is concerned?
I think the first meeting, was very positive, I should say. And overall, I would like to inform that the feedbacks, the opinions given by the people that our candidate is one of the is the best candidate so far, and people would like to see a change as far as the this MP by-election is concerned. No communication so far from HSPDP, but we are still keeping the door open for any individual or any political party or any group to extend the support for us.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.